Let's explore the LAMBDA function in Excel. Discover how to create your own custom functions directly within Excel, taking your formula skills to the next level. So, what exactly is LAMBDA? It's a function that empowers you to define custom, reusable formulas using Excel's built-in formula language. Define a formula once, and then use it anywhere within your workbook. No need for VBA or any programming expertise. LAMBDA simplifies complex formulas, making them more readable and easier to manage. Here's the fundamental structure of a LAMBDA function. It starts with the keyword lambda, followed by parentheses enclosing the parameters and the calculation. The parameters are the input values for your function, separated by commas. The calculation is the formula logic that utilizes these parameters to produce a result. Let us look at a basic example. Consider creating a function to square a number. The lambda function would look like this: lambda, open parenthesis, x, comma, x to the power of 2, close parenthesis. Here, x is the parameter and x to the power of 2 is the calculation. To use this function, you would write my square, open parenthesis, 5, close parenthesis. This would result in 25. To create named functions, first navigate to the Formulas tab and select Name Manager. In the Name Manager, click New to define a new name for your function. Enter your desired function name, and then input the lambda formula you've created. Now you can use your custom function anywhere in your Excel workbook, just like any other built-in Excel function. Let's delve into a practical example of lambda. Assume that you want to create a function that calculates the total amount, including tax. You can define the lambda function as follows: lambda, open parenthesis, amount, comma, tax rate, comma, amount multiplied by open parenthesis, 1 plus tax rate, close parenthesis twice. By using this, an example is total with tax, open parenthesis 100, 0.08, close parenthesis, which would give a result of 108. Let's explore some advanced capabilities of lambda functions. You can create recursive functions that call themselves. This allows you to handle complex calculations. Lambda can also process entire ranges and arrays at once, enabling you to perform calculations on large datasets efficiently. Furthermore, you can combine multiple lambda functions together, building more complex and modular formulas. Lambda offers several key benefits. It boosts efficiency by allowing you to reuse complex formulas without rewriting them. It enhances readability with clean, understandable function names. It simplifies maintenance, enabling you to update the logic in one central place. Finally, it ensures precision by providing consistent calculations throughout your workbook. Master Lambda to elevate your Excel formula expertise. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.